Namaste. So, whenever there is a big or prominent space mission, there are a few people that criticize it by saying that this money that we are spending on the space exploration can be better spent on making the life of Earthlings better. But today in this video, I want to convince you guys. But before I do, I want to ask you a question. Do you even realize how big of a thing it is that we have even got to explore space? We are just descendants of bacteria that emerged on this planet billions of years ago. And we have come from our humble origins, and from millions of years of evolution led to this point that we have become space explorers. We have been to moon, the literal moon. Yes, the same moon that you see on the night sky, the same moon that inspired poets, the same moon that inspires seasons and waves. That moon have human artifacts. That moon have human footprints on it. These footprints will be there for millions of years. These artifacts will tell the story of human existence, the story of human will, long after we are silent, long after we have got extinct. These stories will be there forever. And the space exploration has been the most fascinating things that humans ever did. Why did we go to the moon? Why do we go anywhere in space? Is it a waste of money? Is it irrelevant? Does that lead to anything, or just for fun? So today in this video, we'll try to explore this question. Let's go and find it out. Let's come with me. I'll show you. So let's try to understand, what does common citizen get from space exploration? There are many technologies that we use today that we owe something directly or indirectly to space exploration. These includes cell phone, laptops, camera, solar panel, GPS, etc. That's right. All these gadgets owe something special to space exploration. Now we'll discuss two of them. First one being GPS technology. We all use GPS in our daily lives to go from one place to another. GPS technology uses network of satellite. That's one annoying thing about it. So GPS technology uses network of satellites that are orbiting Earth. These satellites give the position that we are on, and these satellites were launched by many space agencies including NASA, ESA, and etc. So without the space exploration and space research, we would not have the GPS technologies that we use today, and you need to thank them. Second one being cordless tools. And now you can argue that, what the hell, man? We don't need space mission to make a cordless tool. We can do here on Earth. And yes, you're right. I'm not saying that you're wrong, but the thing is, we did not make it until we went to space. We didn't realize that we can have cordless tools. But when we went to space, we thought, oh shit, we can't have battery powered tools because we don't have the charging point on the space on the moon. So now this thing happened, that when we were going to the moon for Apollo missions, so the astronaut had the mission to extract sample from the lunar surface, and then the NASA realized that, oh, we need to make some cordless tools. So then in 1961, eventually they made the cordless drill to extract the samples from the moon. As you guys now know that without the power or without the battery, we cannot use the power tools. And NASA also knew that. So today I'm going to demonstrate, because we don't have any switch here. So let me try switching it in this ground. No, we can't use it for anything. It's wastage of the product now. As I have demonstrated that we cannot use these tools without the switches. So next time you now have an alternative, and for that you need to thank NASA. They conducted space missions and now you guys have the power too. So now I'm going to talk about the bigger perspective here, and that is geopolitics of space. There are limited resources in this world. As you can see, some countries have oils, some do not have the oil. This is just the one resource. Others are gold, natural gas, even the sun. The countries near the equator has more sun, so they can produce more solar energy. So each and every country have limited resources that they use, and which makes wealth for them and give them the power over other countries. So to tackle this problem, we can use the resources that are on moon, that are on other asteroids or other planets, and NASA or the other space agencies knows that. So what they're trying to do is they are conducting missions to the moon. The samples that they brought back from the missions, they analyze it, they study it, and they know that there are abundance of resources on the moon or on the asteroids that are rare here on Earth. For example, there's a helium-3 that can be used as a fuel for future nuclear fusion reactors to make electricity. And if we can extract helium-3 from the moon's surface and bring it back to the Earth, we can do wonders. We can make a lot of money. Who can make a lot of money? The country that does these missions. Imagine if India gets hold of these resources. You know what they'll get? They'll get the money. Yeah, you know that. But they'll also get power. Why power? Because they have something that the other countries do not have. And now we have proofs that the moon's surface have some rare resources, and that's why there has been consistent moon missions from past 1 decade. The Russia with the Lunar 25 mission, the Chinese with the Chang'e mission, the US now has Artemis program, and India with their Chandrayaan 3 mission. They are all having a space race for hold of these resources. Now you know why are we spending so much money on the space exploration. You know why? Because it gives us money back, not 10 times, not 100 times, millions of times return. So plus the common citizens also get the tools, the GPS technologies, so it's a win-win for everyone. And you need to celebrate these missions. You need to know that whenever there's a space mission, you, the common person, will get something, and the humanity or your country will also get something in return. So I think I have convinced you guys. So next time there's a mission, please celebrate with me. Thank you very much.